Trapbar Deadlift. This deadlift variation will give you the most bang for your buck since you can go heavy without putting yourself in a compromised position. It works the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and low back. It is a hybrid lift because it's a mix between the squat and the hip hinge. Stand with your feet around shoulder width apart and grab the bar at the middle of the handles. Your starting position should be neither a full squat nor a full hip hinge. Breathe in through the stomach, hold your breath, and create tension through the body. Make sure you don't jerk the bar off the floor. Lift the weight by pushing through the ground, keeping your back flat. Don't breathe out too much air at the top. Hold the position for a split second, then go back down. Don't flex your arms or shrug the weight during the lift. Reset your body position and breathe. Then start over again, each time creating tension before you pull. Common mistakes? Doing a hip hinge. Although not a dangerous mistake because it won't necessarily injure you. Performing the trapbar deadlift as a pure hip hinging movement isn't correct and won't help you achieve what we're trying to achieve. Common mistake? Doing a squat. Although it could be a bit hard to notice this in our model, she is squatting too much in this example. The torso shouldn't be too vertical when getting ready for the pull.